You're listening to the NOAA Weather All Hazard radio station, WHZ 41, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.450.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9:45 p.m. plus the daylight time for Redville, Orangeville, Yellowville, Greenville, Blueville, Murphyville, Lush City, Clinton, Pacific, Greene, and Floodtown counties of Washington State, Wakefield, Rockford, Andover, Brookhaven, Blacksburg, Ross Block, and Fairfax counties of Blacksburg, Maryville, Lushland, and Clay counties of Washington State until 9:45 p.m. At 7:44 p.m. plus the daylight time, a severe thunderstorm was located along the line extending from Wakefield to Blush City to Fairview Heights and Meister Blush City County line, blowing north at 70 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Blush City County, excluding Jackson County, Washington State. Hazard: baseball-sized hail and 80 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: trained weather spotters. Impacts: flying debris will be dangerous to cut without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacts include Mystic, Plush City South, Southwest Mystic, Plush City, Southeast Mystic, Plush City, Fairview Heights, and East Mystic. For protection, move in a tenant room on a lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9:45 p.m. plus into daylight time for the following counties: Redville, Orangeville, Yellowville, Greenville, Blueville, Murphyville, Lush City, Clayton, Pacific, Greene, and Floodtown. The following counties in Blacksburg: Wakefield, Rockford, Andover, Brookhaven, Blacksburg, Rosbach, and Fairfax. And the following counties: Blushtown State, Maryville, Lushland, and Clay.